Now take a look at this. You would never think that you can cook this type of chicken in an air fryer. Hey guys, I'm Chef Miles, and today we're gonna cook some of my favorite recipes in the Ninja Crispi. Let's get crispin'. Here I have the 4-quart container where I'm gonna make 3 pounds of chicken wings. Super easy recipe. I'm just gonna hit it with a little black pepper, some salt, and then my favorite, some teriyaki sauce. Now I just gotta give it a mix. Last thing to do is just take the Ninja Crispi, put it right on top, and I'll press start. All right, the chicken wings are done. Let's check them out. Beautiful. Let me just hit them with a little sesame seeds and then a little bit of scallions. The chicken wings are so crispy, and just take a look at that color. This is one of my favorite meals that I can prep ahead of time for the middle of the week when I don't want to think about dinner. I have some beautiful veggies, and I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of steak tips. And the adapter is perfect to fit on the 4-quart container, or in this case, the 6-cup container. I'll place it on, and then I'll press start. One of the many advantages with the Ninja Crispi is you can prep your meals for the week. Here, I have some leftovers, just some chicken and potatoes. And here I have some salmon and veg that I cooked earlier. Now all I have to do is put the lids on and pop it right into the fridge. Now let's run through one of the easiest desserts you can make in the Ninja Crispi, a s'mores dip. Now I've already melted the chocolate, and now I'm just gonna top it off with some marshmallows. Now all that's left to do is put the power pot on and press start. The s'mores dip is finished. Let's check it out. Looks so good. Now you've heard of a cheese pull. Let's see this marshmallow pull.